Defocus. You can find the defocus filter or effect here on the filters. Blur, defocus. Defocus is similar to camera focus. Amount controls the total blur. Gain amplifies the brightest area. And shape, this is the bokeh, as you call it in a camera. So currently it's a circle. You can see there's a circular here, but you can change it to a polygon. Now it's on 3 sides. Change to 12 sides. You can also rotate the polygon. Aspect ratio simulates the aspect ratio of a camera. So you can play around with this one. Word of advice: if you use this filter, don't set the amount to the maximum because this blur filter will slow down your system. It's better to make the focus amount to minimal and play with the other settings.